Welcome to Machine Solutions, where we take you on a full journey through the world of timber, from forest to factory. In today's video, we explore how modern forestry equipment works together to harvest, process, and transport wood with remarkable efficiency. You'll see real machines in action, understand how each step supports the next, and gain a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship behind the lumber and wood products we use every day. Our journey begins deep inside an eucalyptus plantation, where harvesting teams rely on powerful cutting equipment to manage dense, fast-growing trees. One of the standout machines in this stage is the Cizalla M2, designed specifically for handling the tough fibers and high moisture content of eucalyptus wood. Eucalyptus grows quickly and can reach commercial size in just a decade, making it a cornerstone of the timber and pulp industries worldwide. The Cizalla M2 operates using a shear-style cutting system. Unlike traditional chainsaws, hydraulic shears clamp the tree securely before slicing through it with immense force. This allows for cleaner cuts, improved operator safety, and faster cycles for high-volume harvesting. As the machine grips each tree, you can see how it positions the trunk, measures the angle, and completes the cut with a single, decisive motion. This design minimizes wood loss and reduces stress on the equipment. After felling, the machine transfers the logs into neat piles for forwarding. The Cizalla M2 is especially useful on plantations where stems are uniform in size, allowing operators to create consistent log bundles ideal for transport. These logs will later be processed at sawmills, chip mills, or pulp plants, depending on their final purpose. For older viewers familiar with traditional manual logging, this level of mechanization represents a major shift in efficiency. Decades ago, crews relied on chainsaws, axes, and cable skidders, requiring heavy labor and long hours. Today, a single operator inside a protected cab can harvest as much timber in one shift as an entire crew once could. The advancement of hydraulics, reinforced steel, and computerized controls has transformed forestry into a safer and more productive field. As the Cizalla M2 finishes its work, notice how the machine leaves the plantation organized and ready for replanting. Sustainable forestry relies on cycles: planting, growing, harvesting, and renewing. By clearing stands efficiently, the machine helps land managers maintain healthy soil, reduce waste, and prepare the next generation of trees that will eventually continue this cycle of renewable wood production. With our logs ready, we move to the next step in our journey: equipment designed for multi-tree processing in more challenging terrain. Next, we see the SP451LF head mounted on a Valmet 901.3 harvester. This setup excels when handling multiple small or medium-sized trees at once. The multi-tree attachment allows the operator to gather, delimb, and cut several stems in a single cycle, increasing productivity on thinning operations. Removing smaller trees improves forest health by giving larger trees more sunlight and space to grow. This machine bridges early-stage forest management with large-scale production by preparing wood for transport while supporting long-term sustainability. Before harvested timber can reach sawmills or factories, workers must build and maintain reliable forest roads. Here we watch the BMC PRO 935, a powerful machine designed specifically for shaping and reinforcing woodland routes. Good forest roads are vital. They allow trucks to enter logging areas safely, reduce travel time, and prevent soil erosion. The machine begins by clearing away debris and leveling the path. Its heavy blade cuts into the ground, pushing aside rocks and smoothing uneven surfaces. This creates a stable foundation capable of supporting heavy transport trucks. Proper road construction reduces long-term operating costs, because smoother surfaces minimize fuel consumption and equipment wear.
Gidiyor.
One of the most crucial tasks performed by the BMC PRO 935 is grading. By shaping the road's surface at a slight angle, the operator ensures rainwater drains properly. Without this, water would pool, forming ruts that damage vehicles and degrade the road. Drainage ditches, compacting passes, and gravel layering are all part of the process. As we see the machine pushing, shaping, and compacting the soil, it becomes clear how important this stage is for the entire wood supply chain. Many older viewers may remember when forest access was limited to rough tracks or mule trails. Today, modern equipment makes remote areas safe and accessible. Well-built forest roads allow timber trucks to operate even in challenging terrain. Once completed, these routes support years of harvesting cycles, wildlife management, and fire prevention efforts. With the roads prepared, we can now bring in equipment to split firewood and prepare logs for sawmill transport. After industrial milling, our journey shifts toward traditional craftsmanship. Here we watch the assembly of a handcrafted log structure in the classic Eastern European style. These homes are built using precise notching techniques, where each log interlocks with the next to form a solid, weather-resistant wall. Builders begin by selecting logs of similar diameter and length. Each piece is carefully peeled, shaped, and numbered. Unlike factory-cut lumber, these logs maintain their natural curves, requiring skilled hands to fit them properly. The team sets the foundation beams first, ensuring the base is perfectly level. Then the wall logs are stacked course by course. Each corner notch is carved so the logs fit tightly together, creating a structure that is both strong and energy efficient. Workers use chisels, chainsaws, and hand tools to refine each joint. This blend of modern equipment and old-world craftsmanship shows how woodworking traditions continue to thrive. Older viewers may appreciate the similarities to pioneer-era construction in North America, where settlers built cabins using many of these same techniques. As the walls rise, openings are left for windows and doors. The roof structure is prepared using heavier beams that support the weight of the roof covering. Once assembled, the cabin is allowed to settle, a natural process where the logs compress and tighten over time. This method of building creates a warm, durable home with excellent insulation. While industrial sawmills focus on mass production, handcrafted log structures highlight the artistic side of the wood industry. With this handmade cabin nearly complete, we move to a similar tradition practiced on Canada's west coast. On Gabriola Island in British Columbia, builders continue the long-standing tradition of Canadian log cabin construction. Using locally harvested timber, they shape and notch each log by hand, fitting them with precision to create rustic, sturdy homes. The coastal environment provides ideal timber species like cedar, known for its durability and natural beauty. These cabins reflect a deep respect for the forest and highlight the connection between sustainable harvesting and timeless design. Thank you for joining us on this full journey, from forest harvesting to sawmilling and handcrafted construction. The wood industry combines advanced machinery, skilled labor, and sustainable forestry to create the materials that build our homes and communities. We hope this video has given you insight into the fascinating world behind every board and beam. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world machine action and timber craftsmanship from around the globe.